This is Louise Kadlesic from Alma Development. Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to show you quickly the importance and how to set up a business domain. So what's a business domain? Well, here's mine, www.almadevelopment.com. So the domain is that underlying part, alma-development. Why do you need a business domain? Well, there's three key reasons. First, you're going to be using it for your email addresses. Second, it's going to become your web presence. And third, it's going to be protection of your brand. If you've already incorporated a business, it's very important that you're wanting to make sure that nobody else is going to be taking that domain and repurposing it for something else. So here are the things that you need to do to set up that domain. Assuming your business is incorporated, you're going to want to try to find a domain that matches it most closely. I recommend GoDaddy as a place to go. It's a very nice, easy way to find a domain, but there are lots of other places. I'm going to show you how to be creative if your first idea is taken. But also, consider buying your personal name domain. So mine would be louisekadlesic.com. The reason is that people may know you personally and type that into their web search instead of your business domain. So that ensures that you can just direct them to your business domain regardless of which entry point they have. And finally, as always, remember the record keeping. So make those copies, those digital copies of your expenses for your accountant. Remember somewhere to record your GoDaddy login credentials because you're going to need them regularly. And then, depending on how many years you buy your domain for, go into your calendar and note your expiry date. Here we are at GoDaddy.com. What we're going to do here is look for a domain that we can purchase. So my name is John Smith and I'm in consulting. I'm going to put a few words in there that really represent my business name. We're going to search our domain. I'm going to recommend that you look for a .com extension. That's the one most closely associated with professional businesses by customers. So not surprisingly, smithconsulting.com is not available. So we need to get a creative hat on and think, what else can we do to make this more unique? Let's just try. Maybe John Smith Consulting is available. Search again. Let's see what comes up. Excellent. This one's available. That's something customers could easily type out. So let's select that, add that to our cart, and go and purchase that. You're going to be asked some other things at GoDaddy, like if you want to have hosting or email or things like that. Those aren't necessary at this time. So just continue onto the cart. And your last decision is how many years do you want to buy this domain for? For most domains, if I'm pretty certain that's what it's going to be, I'll pick 2 years. That just makes sure that I've got that for a couple of years and I don't have to worry about that as part of my business process. If you're not completely sure, just pick 1 year. Then all you need to do is proceed to checkout. You're going to get an email and then your domain is set.